So yeah, I've been running without fenders, and I needed a place to mount lights, signal lights, and brake light on the stern. Uh, so I put this plastic fender on. I didn't really have a mount for it, so what I did is I just used extra long stainless bolts in the shock mounts, and then I use nuts to take up the space inside, and I made sure to line up the hexes on all the nuts, just so it looks a little better. But anyway, I also installed a little plastic electrical cover under the seat, so that just to neaten up all the connections and halfway protect them. But yeah, everything's working. The signal lights and the brake light work. We got a right, there we go, and a left over there, and the brake light. I don't know, I can't see if it's working, but anyway, it does work. So yeah, that's the new look with the fender. I guess it looks okay. It's still a kind of a bobber style. And I've got my other new addition, my little friend here on the handlebar. I call him Doug Duck. Doug Duck, yeah. So that's the latest look. Nothing else has really changed. I put the silencer back on. I pulled the baffle out, so it makes a nice sound. I don't know. Let's see if it'll fire up. Turn on the fuel. Give it a little bump on the throttle. Run it through a decompression stage. Okay. And let's see if she'll start. Oh, there you go. So that's the silencer installed without the baffle. It's still got that Doug. Let me slow her down. Uh-oh, that's still cold. Anyway, I'm going to take little Doug Duck for a ride and see if we can't have some fun.